Hello everyone, this is EST Learning English. Today we are going to learn a new basic English lesson. So let's begin. The lesson for today is possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. What is a possessive adjective? A possessive adjective is an adjective that modifies a noun by identifying who has ownership or possession of it. Let's see some examples to learn more about possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. My, your, his, her, its, our, and their. Examples: I am Italian. My family are from Rome. I am Italian. My family are from Rome. You are in level 1. Your classroom is 7. You are in level 1. Your classroom is 7. He is the director. His name is Aziz. He is the director. His name is Aziz. She is your teacher. Her name is Tina. She is your teacher. Her name is Tina. It is a school. Its name is Plein Horizon School. It is a school. Its name is Plein Horizon School. We are an international school. Our students are from many different countries. We are an international school. Our students are from many different countries. They are new students. Their names are David and Emma. They are new students. Their names are David and Emma. Rules: his is of a man. Her is of a woman. Its is of a thing. There is of a plural, people or things. Possessive adjectives don't change with plural nouns. Our students, not our students. It's or its. What's the difference? Be careful with its and its. Be careful with its and its. Its is, it is, it is. It's a school. And its possessive is, its name is planorism.
This is all for today. So see you next lesson.